Okay.
Okay in the video?
Yeah, well, you're gorgeous.
Okay, open one.
Yep, so open one and then move back. There we go. And there's one. And let's do the second one. It might, don't reach in. Whoop, other way. Whoop.
Wow, for you who just have a surgery,
That's doing pretty well.
you run pretty hard fast.
Yep, so that was one gone. Do we know where the other one went?
She went this way. Maybe to the cemetery.
Maybe. Probably.
Yeah.
So, there's enough space back here.
There is a cemetery here. And probably she just jumped and went there. And the kittens probably are there too.
Probably very happy to see Mama.